Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. This video tutorial will teach you how to add a paragraph field in Contact Form 7. To do so, simply hover over a contact in the sidebar and click on Add New. You can follow the same process and add a paragraph field in the existing contact form. Here you can see the form builder area with some fields that have already been added. You can simply remove the fields like this if not needed. Now to add a paragraph field, simply click on the text area tagged here. Here are some field related settings. You can make the paragraph field required by checking the box. You can give this field a name, but this won't be displayed to the users. You can even set the default value. Check the box to use it as placeholder text. Now, once everything is in place, simply click on the Insert Tag button. You can see the field has been added here. We need to add the label name to this field. So, let me do that. Once done, let's save the form. You can see the form shortcode here. So let's copy the shortcode and embed this form into Pages. To do so, simply edit the respective page. I will add this shortcode to the existing page. Here I will simply replace this shortcode. Once done, let's now update the page. It's now time to view the page from the front end and check the field in action. You can see the paragraph text field here. This is how easy it is to add a paragraph text field in Contact Form 7 in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.